Want to speed up your Python list manipulation? Say goodbye to your sluggish list and hello to the power of dictionary. In this session, we will show you how to add an author object to each article object based on the authorId. We will start with the basic approach using nested loops that can be slow for larger datasets. But don't worry, we will also show you how to optimize this method for faster processing. Let's dive in and turbocharge your Python code. We have two lists, one is articles, another one is authors. Our goal is to add an author object to each article object based on the authorId. We will start with the nested loop approach that iterates through both the lists and checks for matching author IDs. This method works, but it can be slow and inefficient for larger datasets. Let's dive into the interesting part using dictionary approach for faster data processing and simplifying the code. Let's create a dictionary that maps author IDs to their corresponding author objects. Iterate through articles list and use dictionary lookup to add the correct author object to each article. With these techniques, you can optimize your Python list manipulation and process data more efficiently. Upgrade your code with the dictionary mapping and experience the power of faster data processing today. Thank you.